This is Teddy, Trading with Teddy on Thursday, June 23rd. The word of the last 2 weeks has been Brexit. All right, this has been a big thing in the financial news. However, trying to predict which direction this is going to impact the gold market, and I suppose all the markets in general, is a fool's errand and generally something we are not interested in doing. Currently, the betting parlors and the equity markets up to this point are indicating that a stay vote is 75% likely. Okay, this is interesting because the gold market is actually seems to believe that there is a much more uncertainty in the outcome, judging by the 48-hour window until the July option expiration. July option expirations have 2 days left. They go off on Monday. Okay, this is significant for a couple of reasons. I'm not sure I've ever seen options priced like the July options are, with only 2 days and a supposedly sure-handed outcome of a stay vote. But an at-the-money straddle is implying a $31 move over the next 2 days. So to give you an idea kind of how crazy this is, looking at the 1320 calls, okay, that were about $55 out of the money from the current price, $12.65. Those are going for $3.20. Again, like I said, I cannot remember a time where premiums were so juiced and so, much in anticipation, I guess, of, huge volatility with only 2 days left. So despite what the betting parlors say, and despite what the equity markets have been trying to indicate to us, be very cautious on going ahead and just taking the word for it. So to me, the gold market is signaling something much different. We have seen many, and by the way, how many events like this have we seen? We've seen the Grexit, now the Brexit, the zero interest rate policy, countless other examples, and how these turned out in the long run. They weren't necessarily game changers. So be very careful buying into that narrative that this is a huge game changer going forward across the global markets. These are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services, or Archer Financial Services. Have a great day.